Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the chart of Euro USD in front of us, and this is the 1 hour chart. And as you can see, that right now market is stuck in a narrow range. So first of all, let's look at the chart of DXY US dollar index. If we look at the chart of DXY, then we can clearly see the market is in uptrend. There is no doubt about it. But if we look at the chart carefully, then we can see that the market sentiment is changing. Previously, there was no doubt that market was forming higher highs and market was moving up. But right now, market is struggling to cross this particular portion, the green box here. So if market wants to continue the upside, then it will have to cross 103.75. Then only we will get the confirmation that buyers are still very much present and buyers still have the strength to take the market up. The problem right now is that though the market seems to be in uptrend, but market made a lower high here. The lower high signifies that buyers in the market are slowly losing their strength. So next low of Euro DXY will be very important. Last time market bounced from the 100 moving average here, and as you can see that market is forming red candles. So if market takes support around the 100 moving average and bounces, then it's a good sign that dollar is still positive and dollar will be continuing the upside. But in case DXY breaks the previous low here and takes support around 103.20 or somewhere around this level, then it's not a very positive sign for DXY, because there will be a chance of trend reversal very soon, because market forming lower high lower low, okay, is not a very positive sign. So let's wait and watch whether DXY takes support around the 100 moving average or not, or if it fails to take support. So next low of DXY will be very important. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. First of all, let's look at the 4 hours chart. Why 4 hours chart? Because we can see a similar thing on the 4 hours chart as well. Market was in downtrend, market was continuously forming lower lows, lower highs, but here you can see that market, after forming this low, broke the previous high, and when market came down, market also formed a higher low. So here also the market structure is changing right now. Though we don't have any positive news right now, though we don't have any fundamental factor that will push the market towards the upside, but on technical grounds, technically we can see that market is showing signs of trend reversal in the coming days. So if you're a swing trader or if you're a positional trader, then yes, you need to be alert, because there are good chances that market may show some good amount of upside trend reversal in the coming days. But if you're a day trader, then obviously your trading strategy will be different. Your trading style will be to trade from a level to level only. So swing traders, be careful, because maybe we will get to see a complete trend reversal. Okay. And day traders, watch the video carefully. So as we can see right now, the market is stuck in a narrow range here. The best levels or the best resistance level where you can expect the market to have sellers, strong sellers present around, are first of all 1.0820 or 1.0821225 level. Around this level we can expect the market to face some selling pressure because of previous price ejection around this area. You can see that 1.0825 is in the middle, okay, and more or less you can see that because of strong price rejection around this area, we have some sellers. Okay, above that we have 1.0866. Why 1.066? We have Fibonacci 50% retracement around this area, and the 200 moving average will also be present. So 1.082025 level and 1.0866, these two seems to be the strong resistance level where you can expect a market to face some selling pressure. If market reverses according to expectation, we can look for a sell position. But yes, confirmation will be very important. As I always say, confirmation is the insurance of traders. So confirmation will be in the form of good price rejection from above, not on the 4-hour time frame. It is too slow. You can easily switch to 1-hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Any strong price rejection will give you the confirmation. But the problem is that these two levels are far away. 1.0866, 1.0820 levels are far away, and right now market is trading in this area. So where is the immediate resistance? The immediate resistance seems to be around 1.0760 to 1.0770. This seems to be the immediate resistance. Why? You can see previous price rejection around this area. We have 100 moving average around this area, and the previous support will be acting as resistance here. So if we combine all the factors here, 1.0760, 1.07770 seems to be a good level of sellers. If market shows some upside also, we can expect the market to face some selling pressure. If market reverses, we can look for sell. So these are the three resistances on the chart of Euro USD right now. So where is the support then? As I said, the market is showing signs of trend reversal technically. So if market comes down and bounces from the trend line at the bottom, we can look for a buy position. But to take support around the trend line, market will have to cross this range first. The range, the market is stuck in a range right now. So if Euro USD breaks 1.0702, you can look for a sell, or you can look for sell below 1.0700. This is the range of Euro USD right now. But as long as market is low volatile like this, market will not be able to break down or break out, because for any breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. Without volume, market we usually go for false breakout. So if the volume of the market remains like this, then you can simply follow the strategy of buy at support, sell at resistance. Okay. So during the day, if you see the market is coming to 1.0700 and bouncing, you can look for a buy. But in case you see that during the US session, DXY is showing upside, DXY is trying to recover, and Euro USD is falling, you can look for a quick sell below 1.0700 as well. But yes, the size of the candle will matter. Okay, so because that will be a confirmation. And right now, as you can see, that Euro USD is trying its best to break the range at the top, 1.0725. So if Euro USD breaks 1.0725, wait for 15 to 30 minutes. If you see that market is sustaining above 1.0725, market is trading well without any pressure, then you can look for a buy above 1.0725 as well. But right now it is a little bit risky, because we can clearly see that market does not have much volume. Without volume, it is very difficult for the market to sustain. So let's wait and watch, be careful, and please follow proper risk management, because this range of Euro USD, yes, it is for day trading purpose only, but the level is not very reliable, like the resistance level that we discussed a couple of minutes ago. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Follow proper risk management. I'm also a trader like you. I can be wrong as well, so do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.